Do you also want to go a step further to achieve financial freedom in 2026? Technology, AI, and inflation are shifting the game. If you make the wrong moves, you could stay stuck financially. Today, let's understand the top 5 finance mistakes to avoid in 2026 so you can progress. Mistake 1. Saving instead of investing. The first mistake is saving money without investing. Inflation in 2026 is still going to rise. It always does. If your money just sits in a savings account, it's slowly vanishing because of inflation. Investing doesn't have to be risky if done smartly. Consider SIP. Start by putting a small portion of your income into a low-cost index fund. Even 5 to 10% per month can grow substantially over time. Mistake 2. Ignoring AI-powered income. AI is booming right now, so implement it in your finance journey as soon as possible. AI isn't just for making Ghibli art. It's now a way to create side income, automate investments, and even start small businesses. Using it can significantly increase your productivity. Simple examples: using AI to generate content, automate online businesses, or manage investments. Start small. Learn one AI tool this year and test a micro-income stream. Even a small effort now can teach you life-changing lessons and skills this year. Mistake 3. No emergency fund. The third mistake is not having an emergency fund. Life is uncertain, but finance helps balance it. Even a small uncertainty can put you into debt quickly. Experts recommend having at least 3 to 6 months of living expenses in a separate, accessible account. If you don't have this yet, start small. Even saving $500 to $1,000 initially can make a huge difference in handling unexpected emergencies. Mistake 4. Spending on lifestyle instead of assets. The fourth mistake is prioritizing lifestyle over assets. Buying the newest phone, car, or taking loans for luxury items may help you in feeling rich, but it actually does the opposite of TH. These purchases do not grow your wealth. In 2026, focus on assets, stocks, real estate, gold, and investing in education. A simple rule to follow is the 50/30/20 rule. 50% of your income for needs, 30% for wants, and 20% for assets or investments. This ensures your money is building long-term value. Mistake 5. Not learning financial literacy. The fifth mistake is not learning basic finance. Knowledge is power. The more you know, the better. Learn slow, but in a better understanding. Taxes, investing, budgeting, and AI financial tools is no longer optional. People who never stop learning outperform those who rely on luck or outdated methods. Even 20 to 30 minutes a day learning finance through blogs, YouTube, or online courses. Over time, this knowledge compounds just like money and can dramatically improve your financial decisions. Conclusion. To recap, in 2026 or from, avoid these mistakes. 1. Saving instead of investing. 2. Ignoring AI-powered income. 3. No emergency fund. 4. Spending on lifestyle instead of assets. 5. Skipping financial education. Start fixing these mistakes now, and you'll be ahead of the major population. If you find this helpful, hit like, subscribe, and click the bell so you never miss finance tips for not only 2026, but for long-term